If you're in the market for a new vacuum, you may be wondering which style is right for you, bagged or bagless. Both are powerful and get the job done, so it all comes down to personal preference. For bagless vacuums, the key feature is convenience. The reusable dust cup is easy to use and even washable. Plus, with bagless models, you can actually see how your vacuum is working. With the Kenmore CrossOver Max, dust compression technology pushes dirt and debris down into the dust cup, so it's easy to release during cleanup. Plus, a washable pre-filter and HEPA media filter capture 99.97% of allergens, which helps keep exhaust air cleaner. Bagged vacuums are some of the best performing on the market and a great choice for allergy sufferers. Kenmore bagged models, like the #1 rated Kenmore Elite pet-friendly upright, have been certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. It has 2 levels of filtration, a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of allergens, and a HEPA-certified vacuum bag that makes cleanup virtually dust-free. Plus, vacuum bags generally have more capacity than dust cups, so you can go longer without changing the bag. And don't be scared off at the thought of buying vacuum bags. A package of 6 bags costs around $20 and can last a typical household an entire year. And with online shopping, vacuum bags have never been easier to replace. Kenmore vacuums are some of the highest rated in the industry, so whether you purchase a bagged or bagless model, you can count on amazing cleaning power at a great value. Kenmore, be amazing.